Hey guys, it's Mike with Integrity Wealth System. I just want to thank you for watching this short video today, and I highly invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Just click on that red little button there on the bottom right hand side corner of this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel and give us a thumbs up, and don't forget, ring that little bell notification. I will highly appreciate that. And today I just wanted to offer you guys a free gift. Okay, you do not have to take and opt in to anything to get this free gift. I created this little ebook, Boost Business and Profits, Hire a Business Manager. A lot of other people may know this as a virtual assistant. Okay, I was kind of hesitant about what title to put, so I just went with business manager. You know, when it sounds pretty awesome. Okay, business manager. But you know, it's a quick, very informative read, and I highly encourage you to get this book. It's a free download. It's a PDF. There's nothing that you have to buy. I'm not selling anything. I just want to give some good value back to you guys, because y'all been great supporters of through our opportunity. And if you want to connect with me here, if you want to share it with others, they can connect with me on my YouTube channel right here. But I just wanted to say thank you, and I'm going to be giving some more of this, creating more of these style books and stuff to give you more value, so you can take and learn how to scale your business by letting other people do some of the research work for you, and to save more time so you can have that more time freedom. Okay, more time freedom. Integrity Wealth System has I'm grateful for Integrity Wealth System. Again, I am grateful for Integrity Wealth System. It has done so much for myself and my family. I am just grateful for the opportunity to have created that company, and I'm grateful for the members that I have with this business opportunity as well. Again, I encourage you and I invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click that little bell notification, and if you want this book right now, simply just click in the link below this video, and it's an instant download. So I encourage you to get this book, read it, and if you don't mind, comment back below, give us a thumbs up, comment below, and let me know how it was. Okay, it's no Nobel Prize winning book or anything like that. It's just something that I hope you can use to kind of help you build your business along by hiring virtual assistants to do research for you, to do data entry for you, to help speed your business along. With that being said, my name is Mike with Integrity Wealth System. I hope you have a great 2019. If you have any questions, please get in contact with me, 803-537-1571, and I'd like to see you on Team Integrity Wealth. Have a great day. Bye-bye.